Hello little artists! Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a triangle. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Now, we draw a big tree beside the house. This is the root of the tree. Here, we draw a sun using circle shape. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. A roof is the top cover of a building. That keeps the rain, snow, and sun out. It's like a big umbrella for your home. Roofs can be flat, pointy, or sloped. Some roofs even have windows. This is blue color. Here, we use blue to color the wall of the house. Walls keep us safe inside the house. The walls hold up the roof. Walls can be painted many colors. We can put pictures and posters on the walls. Walls make our house into different rooms. We use yellow color to color the door of the house. We use yellow color to color the window. Here, we use green color to color the tree which beside the house. Green color. This is brown color. We use yellow color to color the sun. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.